possibly get rid of a car. We got all the subs here. We shipping out to the winners. What's up, man? You getting rid of it, man?
Yeah, we selling this thing. Bye. Bye.
Trackhawk boy, you know, hypey Trackhawk boy. McLaren's served its purpose. A little under bucket today, man.
That's it?
No, I'm not feeling too great about it. No, it ain't flashy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Only 200,000.
That's
man.
it?
Under buckets, man. Anything under 100, under $1 million is an under bucket.
Damn. It's a bucket, dude.
220 on the dash. Dude, Lambos got 220 on the dash. What other car had 220? Porsche? Turbo?
Red Eyes do.
It was 220?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it was. Because my Trackhawk was 200 and I thought it was 220.
Is that right?
Yeah, for sure.
I didn't realize that. But it only hit, what, 189 or something?
Yeah, you know how it's.
McLaren is the fastest car we had. It hit 204. I think this is only 189, 190, 192, some shit like that. Yeah, we're gonna go out here to the new warehouse, man, and possibly get rid of a car, you know what I mean?
Which one? This one, maybe? This one?
Nah, just gonna stick around till the SE come out.
Oh, okay.
They don't know about the SE. You see what I'm saying? That's 2024. I can keep this car another 10 years, to be honest.
Yeah, it's
but because the Porsche, I could have kept the Porsche Panamera. That was a 2012. It's still in style. Look, just as good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the SE is just like this, but it's 800 horsepower and it's combustion. It's just this, for me, is not flashy enough.
Yeah.
This like when I want to be under. Same with the Escalade. When I don't want to be noticed, I just, you know.
Yeah.
When you get into those chameleons and that yellow. You see how it's dressed, man. You need shoelaces out when you get.
It's rich.
Yeah,
That's rich.
Yeah, you a tucker, man. You a tucker. You let them hang out, trip over them mother.
He's on the ground dragging and everything.
Trip over that.
I like that style.
You know what I'm saying?
I like that.
That's how you do it.
I like it. I dig
Look
it.
at that.
Oh yeah, you stepping on that lace.
Yeah.
Disrespectful.
I gotta try to stay under the radar. I don't want to be famous or celebrity. Never have.
Too late for that, buddy.
This is nothing, man. It's nothing.
Is that $500
In the world
shit?
I live in, they laugh at me, man.
Oh yeah.
Laugh at me, bro. Like, oh, you got this little bitty stuff. This is real stuff. They hold up their $1 million worth of. Mayweather and them make me feel bad, man.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see string. Oh, boy, we was on a journey. Accidents all. We
What's
left
up,
at
dude?
8:40. Oh, I ain't got one of these.
Oh, you can get some. I'm gonna use this to have you try some of the greens.
You're doing a little something, man.
Really? Come on, I'm doing a little something. Okay, don't get jealous. This is way better than the other place, bro.
It's cleaner.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
That's it.
And then we got our own restroom. And,
Oh, nice.
You know,
What
so
about the heat in the summer? It's ventilated.
Costa Mesa.
Oh, it don't get hot like that? Is that right?
It'll get hot, but
Right,
it
yeah,
won't
yeah.
be like
Well,
90s or 100s.
Right, yeah. So what's up with the guys? We here, man. Everybody been asking us when we go ship off their things that they won while we was live streaming when we did the 24-hour live stream. If you haven't seen it, go to Hypey Whitey channel and Kali Muscle channel. You can see the live stream. And we gave away all this stuff, man. We gave away some canvas. We got all the subs here. We shipping out to the winners. Hats over here, gum, hot sauce. And yeah, man, we congratulations to everybody. You should be receiving this in the next several days. You know, we fast with our business over here. We ship on time, handle our business. You know, we ain't like a lot of these other influencers and companies take forever. You know what I mean? You see, we in here handling business. You see it? You see it? We had a business, man. Yeah, but man, hey, yeah, man, thanks for all y'all support. We're gonna have a lot of fun stuff. We got some new supplements coming out that's gonna make you healthy. I know a lot of y'all don't eat fruits or veggies, so we got something spectacular for you, man. Y'all know me. It's all about health and wealth at this point, man. I don't care about super swolled up, unnatural muscles. We want you natural, healthy, and live a long time, and to get rich. Because who knows, me and Hyphy Whitey, when we get older, we might need y'all for a loan, a little business investment or something, you know? So, yeah, we're going to go ahead about this day. We got to go down here to this place about these cars, and we're going to see you in a minute. Put in some orange juice.
Yeah, that's the best.
Yeah, that's the greens.
Tastes healthy. Tastes like spinach or something we eat. And so you would just down all this? I would down up.
You would mix it with like
one scoop?
juice. It was 1 scoop.
Okay.
So this is fruit.
Oh, yeah. What's up, man? You getting rid of it, man?
Yeah, we selling this thing.
You getting rid of it, huh,
Yeah,
man?
I'm selling this thing, man. Tired of it, bro.
Tired.
Get out of here, bro. Y'all just would never understand. You wouldn't understand what it takes to own one of these, what it takes to even go through it, what you gotta pay to have him, bro. Bro, like this, it's tight, bro. Like I ain't gonna lie. We went a little fast coming over here. Okay, probably the fastest I ever been. Period.
Wow.
But yeah, it's a cool car and everything. I think it served its purpose. Y'all probably like, oh, don't sell it. Why'd you sell it? A bunch of reasons. Hey, man, I got my own reasons why I sold it. I obviously got in a wreck in this thing, which makes it a salvage title, which makes it just a pain in the basically. It's an L, bro. This is an L and it's a lesson, bro. So
but it's not a salvage title.
It's
a
not?
salvage title is a total.
Oh, okay. It's not. Yeah, it's not salvage.
Yeah,
I wasn't sure.
I was in that game for.
Oh yeah.
Salvage is when they total it out.
Okay. Well, it just lost value because it wasn't a wreck. So it's and you know you're playing with big money too, like bigger money than just a Honda or Toyota, $30,000, $40,000 car. It's literally a $250,000 base model car, but at the end of the day, it's still a supercar, bro. This is still a supercar.
Well.
So yeah.
Served its purpose.
It served its
we
purpose.
Go upgrade still on
Yeah,
there.
we're still gonna upgrade too.
Well.
And I got the Trackhawk too, which is the best one in the country. So yeah, we'll be back with y'all in a second. All right, it's sold, man. Bye.
Bye, McLaren.
Bye.
No more McLaren boys.
Yeah, that's
just
over.
Trackhawk boys now.
I like that though.
Trackhawk boys, you know, hyphy Trackhawk boy.
That's right. That's
it was fun while it lasted. McLaren's served its purpose. Now it's time to get focused on something else. Maybe a Lambo or something next.
Let's go.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.